Let's come to our next drawing activity. Here we are going to show you how you can make the bird in just few easy simple steps. You can just pause the video so that you can have a much clearer look and you can follow each step perfectly. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. All you need is some of the colors. It's time to make a unicorn cartoon character. See how we are going to trace it down. Just pause the video and make each curve and twist carefully and perfectly. This activity is so simple. It's time for our next activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make a ghost in just few easy simple steps. It's a cartoon character ghost and you are just able to make it in just few easy simple steps. This activity is very less time consuming as you don't need to fill the whole body of the ghost with the help of the colors. Long ago, so many years before, the birds were used as messengers because they used to carry the letters from one place to another, as we were not having some of the different means of the communication that are available here. So in absence of the phone, these birds used to perform their work by just sending the letters to their beloved ones. This is so good and nice.